Guess what we're gonna do this morning? That's right. It's time. I don't know if we're gonna catch any, but it's time. Oh yeah. Big. Oh, he got off. Oh my God, you guys, that was a big fish. I think we're gonna have a good day. That's a good sign. That was a giant bass. Five plus. Guaranteed 5+. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mark. Well, I'll tell you what, we're back with a little bit of a funny video. It's funny and it could be helpful for somebody. I'll tell you right now, I was out Lake Taneycomo tossing the frog around and not paying attention at all. And look what happened. All right, so long story short, I'm fishing in this cove. I got earbuds on. I was talking on the phone, and then I just didn't take them off because I was engaged in what I was doing. And all of a sudden, out of the corner of my eye, whoosh! What happened? The way that it jettisoned off the boat, I was like, man, it must have went back quite a ways with tension on the line or something. So that's why I started the motor and kind of motored back, and I couldn't see it. It's not very deep right there. It's only maybe 5-6 feet deep, but there's a lot of hydrilla and just grassy stuff in the water, and I couldn't see it. I was like, dang, man. Act quickly, don't freak out, don't panic. You know, pick up something that has a bunch of hooks in it, like a crankbait is what I used. Went down about, I think that was about a 10-foot crankbait, which is going to get down there. And the thought process was not so much for the lure, you know, but to cover that whole water column all the way to the bottom of the lake, to the surface, and pick up whatever was in the way, you know, i.e. the fishing line, and just kind of snag it. And if I could get the line. And look right here, you guys. I think this is my rod. That's my rod. Oh my God, you guys, this is so lucky. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Fooled me. Almost broke the line. I don't know how far back there is. So anyway, I don't know if this is going to help anybody out, but I do screw up and you guys get to see it. So I don't know if anybody saw it, but I almost fell in the lake looking. I hope you guys have a great day. It's nasty outside, so I thought I'd throw together a little video and show it to you. I got something big in the hopper, though, right out there that's going to happen between today and tomorrow, and I'm going to have that video out to you guys this weekend. I can't wait to see you guys again. Have a great day. See you real soon. Take it easy.